Alright, now it's me and Marty.
It's red.
Me and Marty play some Tag City Airsoft. We're gonna rush.
Yeah, me and Marty.
Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna rush. Once the ref blows a whistle, I'm gonna go first. Like, hey, you want me to go first?
Nice mask.
Thanks.
How much was it? 60 bucks?
Oh no, like almost 100, like 80. Got it from Evike. No! Come on! Oh, don't shine the light, don't shine the light. No.
What are you doing?
I can't move up. If I move up, I'm gonna get hit.
Just stay here for a little bit. You barely took 30 seconds ago. Hey, watch out. That's a dead end. That's another way.
I don't see them.